2, 5. I heard a 2 in there somewhere.
And 5 lines up with 2.
How many hours have you been measuring this?
This is would be an hour and a half. So.
Hour and a half.
All right.
Check out the numbers here. They all make perfect sense to somebody.
Yep, these are all failures. All these are failures because they're all wrong. And now Keenan is going to measure this bearing and tell us what the measurement
The problem is the mic is like 120 degrees now. So it's maybe...
It was sitting, I just picked it up a second ago.
Might be
unless you're breathing heavy on it.
So which ones do these come from?
They came from right here.
So the same bag that we got done cleaning completely back up and putting away, we just went back and measured them again. Because for some reason it seems like they're the same size that I just measured.
Oh, well, you said measure 4.
Which are way too small because the case they're both already fitted.
Right.
And they're looser than what these bearings would be.
That's fine. You're right. I'm wrong.
That's why I said are the 6s 6s and the 8s 8s.
Oh, that's what you meant.
If 6 was 9.
Well, so you have 6s that are used to be 8s.
See how this says 6 and 8? You know why I have 8 crossed out? Because it's actually a 6. You know what size a 6 is? It's probably a 4 because they don't know how to measure the bearings correctly anymore.
Well,
420.
That would be me too, right?
Now, it appears now that we are past the 0 point now, finally.
All right.
So maybe we got some oversizes happening here. Now, see right now our 8 over bearing is actually only 6, and it's more like 5.5. Probably because the mic is hot. I'm going to give it a 1/10 of expansion.
He's fire on the mic.
That's what we get for breathing too heavy.
So it's coming up 5 again.
Getting excited about getting our
The
back
mic
together.
the mic is really hot. Okay, so these are actually 8s or 6s.
They're 6s?
So
Not
the
8s.
6s are probably 4s, and the 4s are 2s. Standards are actually -2. So I remember some of these bags that actually are on size. That's why you have to measure them to make sure. Don't mix those up either.
So let me just recap. 4s are 2s, 8s are 6s, 5s are 0s.
And 2s are standard,
Yeah.
those are negative.
Yeah,
Unless they're
And
old
nobody knows
bearings.
how to measure anything except Tatro.
yeah.
And me.
And if you have old bearing stock that I do have, some of those are actually really on size.
Okay.
Okay. So technically, we haven't screwed up.
Yeah.
We just don't know how to measure.
Exactly.
Okay, now this bag of 6s here
Is a bag of 6.
is actually measuring 6.
Bag of dixes.
See?
Oh, got it.
It was actually, and this one was a 5, which is the same size as the 8 over there. So,
Wait, a 5 is the same size as an 8?
so we do not have any 4s. We have 2s and 6s. And we either have 6s that are marked 6, or we have 8s that are marked 6. Either way, they're the same size. So that's why you have to measure this stuff. So these are old,
Right.
so they're actually correct. These are new, so they're wrong. I mean, I haven't measured this bag. So if I actually need some 8s, I'll have to measure this bag and see if these are 8s or something else. Now these are V-twins, but they're still Sonics, so they're still good. The new V-twin is China, so we don't like those. All right, so what size do we have available?
8s and 2s.
2s,
Or 2s and 6s.
4s,
And
I
6s.
thought you said you didn't have any 4s.
6s.
2s and 6s.
That's right.
2s and 6s.
6.
Yeah.
So that means we better not come up with a 4 then, right?
We got to come up with a 4.
Okay, so what number do you have over here?
Me?
So we're at 7 is standard. So if we have a 6, 6 and 6 is how much?
12.
So you add 12 to 7, you get what?
19.
19.
Okay, that's how far you can go.
19.
Okay, what's the other number we got?
Right up here.
2s.
2s, yeah. Oh,
So 2s and 2 is what?
4.
And 4 and 7 is what?
11.
Okay, so what number we got to choose from?
11 or
19.
19.
Okay, what size of do we have here?
What is that?
Like 11 and a half, 12.
11 and 12.
11. The 12. What's that one?
12.
12. So I don't think 11 is going to work.
Okay.
So what's that mean, Fred?
Got to go to 19.
That means we're not using that first box.
All right.
In the first box.
Okay, now this is Mario's motor. Now he has a half a chance of running that number. Right there it's on size. Now assuming I don't hone anything, which I know, you hear how rough that is? Because somebody blasted his case up, you blew the tolerance, there's 12 right there.
Yeah.
So he's got to go to 19.
So And then we have 11. Okay, so it appears that both of these are going to have to be opened up to a bigger number.
All right. So we're gonna have to hone them, correct?
We're going to have to hone both of them out to the same because you want yours looser than Fred's. And
Okay.
his shaft's bigger.
Okay.
Why don't you
Of
guys?
course.
So
Why
that
don't you
extra,
guys just swap?
so that extra tenth is going to means we're working out the same size final, 19 or 17.
Because then
What
everybody
number
would
was it,
be
17?
happy.
No.
19, I forget. So,
No.
yeah.
No.
We'll
Alright.
hone this out and figure out what we got.
All right.
Yeah. 4s are 2s. These 4s we don't know. These 6s,
These 4s are 4s.
these 6s might be 6s. We're not sure.
Those
But we
6s
know
are 6s.
these formerly 8s.
Those are 8s or 6s.
Now these 8s are 6s, and we don't know these because it's a virgin bag and hasn't been opened yet.
That's right.
Yeah,
But now
so we're
these
not
are
gonna
actually
touch it.
4s and not 2s because these are 2s.
So
And
now
these
we
are
have the whole
4s.
we have the whole
So we can
ensemble
do
torn
this. Now we can use these to not have to
So,
do anything.
Well, I'm going to go hone the case and see what we come up with, and I got all bearings. And stuff. I don't have that missed one in the middle because now this is actually what it is.
All right. What do you want, Sensei?
Ah, Tatro-san.
What are you doing? So you're honing the cases.
You're going to tell me what number we're honing to. We're going to hone it.
Oh,
There's no way to talk about customers in here.
they're talking about me.
Oh, that's okay then. All right.
You're getting me fucking.
Oh wow.
Oh.
What do you want? Where do you want that to be at?
We can't use 11, remember? We're at 13.
Yeah, 13 now.
What number do we want, Fred?
13.
Well, we got 4 and we got 6.
That gotta be 10.
4 is 8. 4 and 4 is 8.
Really? How'd you figure that?
You had 7. 7 and 8 is what?
15.
Someone went to school again.
Oh,
Wasn't
yeah,
Fred,
what-
though. Fred's way... Are you drunk,
Man,
Fred?
Are you drunk yet? Beer number 2. I'm fucking microwave. That's why I'm so good at math
Man,
right
I've already
now.
been up since freaking 4:30 this morning.
Here comes all the excuses.
We've had that conversation before.
Excuses,
I got to turn my alarm off this morning. I woke up.
What
the hell? Why is that alarm on? Oh my god.
What number we want again?
You wanted 15.
That was like 14.
Big 12 right there.
I knew this was a missing piece of the puzzle.
What piece?
The diameter of the.
What did I say?
Yeah, you did. You did say that.
I'm like, we need to know the outside diameter
Yeah.
to get the same nail. I didn't know what I was talking about, but
I think you're on the right direction.
Oh, there's the first thing Fred said correctly today.
yeah.
What was that again?
Now we're at 15.
14.
Oh.
13.
How does that
14. 12 and 3/4.
Of course, we didn't film that, did we? So I could be lying.
No, all kinds of stuff here.
It's okay.
Even the stuff that don't matter. I believe it's not cutting very good right now. I'm clean the stone up. Oh, that makes a difference. Yeah, that's a tent on around. Got to scrap this motor.
Just scrap it. Fuck it. I mean, fuck it.
Drop the F-bomb.
How much is it going to shrink when we cool it, bud?
I think it's going to shrink a little bit. After you heat it up. Things get sloppy when you heat them up.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit! Something just exploded.
Really?
Yeah. They're putting the ovens on fire.
Figure out how close your parts are here.
So the fire is out.
Maybe.
All right.
It's all over holding you. And it's just be like, oh shit, it's on fire!
Looking like a little excitement when you
Back to work.
Back to work. Yeah. No, yeah, a little excitement
All in a
here.
day's work.
That's it. That one's good. Okay, where's the other junk case?
I'll go clean that one. Make sure there's no reflashes going on in the butt.
Oh,
Hey,
Crank is bad on the ankle.
you got a little something in your hair.
I'm not looking at it. I don't give a shit.